guys, I'm coming in because I have done my foundation on my hair once again. The more I braid my hair, the easier it get, you guys. I am putting this in my hair this time. It is the 4x box goddess braids, and they got two sizes to it. 16-inch and an 18-inch. It says handmade. And the color is T1B 27. As soon as I get this camera to act right, it is 100% Kakalon. This is how the hair looks. I'm going to move this tag out the way. See the sizes right there? So you got different sizes on the hair. Got a 16 and an 18. And this is what I'm about to install now. And I got my foundation in. I'm going to try to set a timer, y'all, and see how long it takes me to put these crochet in. And I'm looking a little rough, so I ain't going to show y'all my foundation. Because I'm looking a little rough, how my hair look. But I guess I could show y'all my foundation when I get in the bathroom, I guess. Because that's where we're doing it. But I just came in and show y'all this hair that I got. And what I'm about to install over my foundation. I'll probably take a picture and stick it in there. Okay? So with that, I am about to get busy. Let me see what time it is, y'all. It is 8:45 now. It is 8:45 now. I am going to set a timer and see how long it takes me to install this. So I will come back in and give y'all a look-see or the final result of how the hair is and how it came out and how I did my style. Okay, with that, I'm going to say I will see y'all in a minute, okay? Hey neighbors, I am back again. I know I came in and told you guys about the hair that I was going to use in my crochet method. And I had already told you guys that I had already did my braid pattern, but I did not want you guys to see it because I was looking a little rough, y'all. And I said I was going to do a timer. Y'all, I tried to give y'all some footage. I really did. But my camera kept saying battery exhausted. It would not record the length that I needed. Kept shutting off and then shutting off and then finally wouldn't even come on. So I had to put my camera on the charger. But I wanted to come in and give you guys a look-see at my hair and how it turned out. This is the result of the crochet. And I did the flat twist up front to keep it out of my face. Y'all know I'm always talking about I don't like hair in my face. So I did that. And I really like how it came out. But you guys, I actually plaited the top portion of my hair. I plaited that because I wanted it to look like individuals. But y'all, that didn't work out too well. I had to turn around and put rubber bands in them. Rubber bands kept sliding out. I was like, Lord, what have I done? So, of course, I just tried the best of my abilities, and I did not like that front work up there. So that's why I put it in this right here, the flat twist. Okay? That is the reason why. And once I did it, I realized, I said, oh, this is a nice hairstyle. I like this. So I decided to keep it. But I just wanted you guys to come in and see how it turned out. And it only took me a good, about an hour and 10 minutes. Because I started at 8:45. And 9:45, I was pretty much finished. And I think I would have been finished sooner. But as always, I was having issues with this fine hair. I had did my formation, but y'all, I cannot get the hang of braiding all the way around in a circle. I can only braid to the to the back, and then I have to stop because when I tried to braid it all the way around, it was looking funky, y'all. I was like, So I just decided to braid it in the circular pattern going around on 2 of them. And then in the middle part, y'all, I just braided it down. It was looking a little funky, but I got it done and I got it in there. But I know how to braid now. That's the thing. I actually know how to braid my hair now. So I'm excited about that. Whoop, whoop. I got that down. Alright, now the next thing we're going to try to practice on is braiding my hair with weave. Y'all, I was trying it last night and I could not get it to stay. I can't. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back and watch some more videos on that because I've been trying to get this weave method in with the weave hair in my hair. It ain't working, so I'm going to have to keep practicing that. But anywho, that's how long it took me to do my hair. And once I finished, I said, well, I'm going to just go ahead and style it up. And I will let my neighbors see tomorrow. Once I wear it and it lay down and do like I want it and get old. Yep, that's what I did, y'all. But anywho, y'all, that is what I came in to tell you guys and to apologize for not coming back through like I said I was. I didn't lie. Just, you know, what had happened was, you know, the camera went out on me. But anywho, y'all, if I have any first timers coming to this channel for the first time and you like the content that I put on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Share the video. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, okay, and to my old neighbors, thank you guys for coming in to share my video, comment on it, as well as hitting the notification. Y'all doing all the right things. Thank you, neighbors. And thank my neighbors that actually did not send me a message on message, but actually put it up under the YouTube page. Thanks, guys, for thumbing up and leaving me a comment on under the YouTube page. And again, y'all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to this channel and you always watching me. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. How about that? So when I do upload a video, you guys will be the first one to see and the first one to reply or leave a comment. Also, y'all stay faithful, stay blessed, and stay hopeful. And most importantly, stay humble. And with that, make sure you tell your neighbors about your new neighbor. And that's me, okay? And I'm going to say peace till the next time.